Hi, in today's quick project I'm going to be cutting out one of the designs that's in ScanNCut canvas. It's a Halloween design, it's in the canvas projects and it's a little treat holder or little like cellophane bags inside it with sweets in. And in our Stampin' Up shop we sell 3x6 cellophane bags. I think they're £4.75 for a pack of 25. So I just thought this would be a cute little project to utilise the bags that I've already got, and I'm just going to take you along with me. So basically I've downloaded the file from ScanNCut Canvas. I've got it here on the screen. I've loaded up my mat with some pieces of card, so I've got Gorgeous Grape, which is from Stampin' Up, Whisper White and some black. I don't know exactly how much I'm going to need, but I've put the pieces on the mat and I'm going to scan this through and position the pieces on the respective colours. And that's one of the main things I love about the ScanNCut machine, that you can utilise scraps of card to cut your designs. So I'm just going to load this mat. I'm going to do a background scan and I'm going to say go. So I can see all the pieces on this mat now, but I'm not sure how well you're going to be able to see it because of the glare. I'm just going to go into the settings and I'm going to change the background to a lighter colour because I'm using black and dark, like a purple. It'll just make it easier for me to position these pieces. So I'm just going to grab the little bits and I'm going to position them on the respective colour. So I've got those bits on the white. This bit looks as though it's sat okay on the purple. And then I'm just going to put the other little bits onto these black pieces. And just by doing this, it enables me to get the best out of all my scraps. I'm going to go into the top left-hand icon and then I'm going to zoom in just to have a look at how this main design is sitting on this purple. So I'm just going to zoom in and see if it's okay. I think I can move it up ever so slightly. Now I'm happy with all the placement. I'm going to say okay. And I'm going to say cut. So that's finished. I'm going to unload the mat. So I'm going to remove all the waste card. So I'm going to bring in the piece of Gorgeous Grape and it's already got the scored perforation lines. So I'm just going to fold on those. And then I'm going to decorate it up. So I'm going to bring in the two lots of circles because these are the little eyes. I'm going to put those on one side just to dry for a minute. Now I'm going to bring in this next piece and this goes underneath, but it's also got fold lines on, so I'm just going to fold these bits up out of the way so I don't get glue on them, and I'm going to apply glue just on this top section, not on the little fangy bits that are hanging down. And that should sit on there like so. So that's how we're looking so far. This piece, I think, is his hair. So that's going to sit on there. And then he needs his little eyes on. And I think I'm going to pop these up on mini dimensionals. I'm just going to put one mini dimensional in the middle of each. I mean, these circles are big enough that you could use the full-size dimensionals, but I think the mini ones are going to be fine. I'm going to pop that there. Pop that one there. I mean, this is Halloween. It's not meant to be pretty, really, is it? And then these two little tabs are what hold this bag together. So obviously at this point, you would get your little gusseted bag, fill it with your treats, and then I would fold that over and, you know, fasten it in there. Just put some, I would probably put my treats in and staple this, and then I'd put a piece of double-sided tape on the back and I'd sit that. Just have to fold it down a bit more, and I'd sit that inside. And then this is how this fastens. So these two little tabs are genius. They just slot inside, and then you, not sure how well you're going to see this, but you fold them back like the split pins that you used to use when you're at school and things. And then these go on the back. So let's apply some glue on these little bat wings. You could either stick them on the inside or on the outside. I think I might put mine on the inside. And then I've got the stamp set, A Wish for Everything, which is a double stamp set. And in one of the sides, it's got wishing you a trick or treating, candy eating, frightful, delightful time. So I'm going to use that. And then in the other half of the stamp set, there's a Happy Halloween. So I'm going to use that as well. So I'm just going to open this up. Just going to take my treat bag out for a minute. I'm just going to open this up and I'm going to stamp Happy Halloween at the bottom in Memento Tuxedo Black. And then on the back, so I'm just going to turn it around so I've got the right orientation. I'm going to stamp and I'm just going to move this out of the way before I stick my fingers in it. So fold up your little treat bag. Stick it down inside, pull your little tabs together and fasten your box. And there you have it. So what about that? A cute, adorable Halloween little project, literally in minutes. So we've got Happy Halloween, and then on the back we've got wishing you a trick-or-treating, candy-eating, frightful, delightful time. And that was just made with a Wish for Everything stamp set, some black memento ink, and gorgeous grape, basic black, whisper white cardstock from Stampin' Up, and a cut file which is free in ScanNCut canvas. So I hope you like that project. Please give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you don't already do so. I'm very close to 30,000 subscribers now. And I know that there are an awful lot of people that watch my videos that aren't subscribed. So please subscribe. You don't get mithered. You know, it just means that, as well as if you turn the bell notification icon on, which is under the subscribe button, you'll just get notified when I upload a video, and that's all there is to it. So thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.